Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow or block GIF comments on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account, and then you want to select the profile icon down in the bottom right corner. And then once you are on your profile page, select the hamburger icon on the top right, and then scroll down underneath where it says how others can interact with you and select comments. And then where it says allow GIF comments, if you want to enable it, have it toggle to the right, lit up blue. If you want to disable it, click inside this oval until it's grayed out. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.